to apply for a Pluxee Card Online. 1. Go to the official Pluxee website, formerly Sodexo, or open the Pluxee app on your phone. 2. Click or tap on Get Your Card or Apply for Pluxee Card. 3. Choose the type of card you need, such as a meal card, gift card, or benefits card. 4. Fill in the application form with your name, email, mobile number, and employer details, if applicable. 5. Upload any required documents, like your valid ID or proof of employment. 6. Review all your details and tap Submit or Apply Now. 7. You'll receive a confirmation message or email once your application is submitted. 8. After approval, your Pluxee card will be delivered to your address or made available digitally in the Pluxee app, ready to activate and use.